Oh, lady. Hello. What's your name?
Taria.
Taria, how old are you?
26.
And what do you do?
I'm a singer-songwriter.
Oh, another one. Yeah. Okay, could we hear you sing something?
Right now?
Yes.
Y'all want to hear me sing?
Yes, yeah.
A lonely days are all that fill my head all the time. All I do is sit and think about the way you feel. 'Cause you know this love is for real. A little nervous, y'all. You done put me on a spot.
All right, so what do you like to do for fun?
I'm very adventurous, so I like to travel. I like to try new things, try new foods, dance, work out, stuff like that.
Okay, what do you look for in a man?
I look for somebody that's adventurous too. Like to take risks, goal-driven, a good communicator, romantic, and yeah.
Okay, what are some deal breakers?
Some of my deal breakers, smoking cigarettes. Can't smoke cigarettes. More than 2 baby mamas.
Okay.
I mean, 1 baby mama, but yeah. That's pretty much it.
Okay.
And just, a negative. I hate a negative man.
Yeah, that's a good one. Definitely. All right, so we have not got any pop balloons.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to hand you a pick.
Okay.
So I'll have you hold on to that. And there are quite a few guys, so I'm going to have you pop 3 balloons. Yes. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and pop those 3.
Okay.
Okay, 2 more. And 1 more. Alrighty. Let's start here. Let me just... All right, let's go ahead and start with your name and age.
Toby, 28.
Okay, Toby, why'd you have your balloon unpopped?
Well, she said she was a singer and I really love karaoke, so I mean, I just wanted to hear more.
Okay, but is she someone that you would approach, like physically?
So I'm trying to do this new thing where I don't focus on the physical and try to be more about like what they're all about. So I don't know if I can answer that right now.
Okay, no, you're good. And now why'd you end up popping his balloon?
He just don't look like he would be my cup of tea. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, let's go on over here. Okay, your name and age.
My name is Kenneth. I'm 29.
Kenneth, why did you have your balloon unpopped?
When she started singing, I felt the Holy Ghost. Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
All right, and now why'd you end up popping his balloon?
How old are you? I'm sorry.
29.
29. You look a little older than your age to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and then you end up popping 1 more. Name and age.
Bliss, 28.
Right, and Bliss, why did you have your balloon unpopped?
Just the initial attraction. I was attracted to her, so I wasn't going to pop.
Okay. And why'd you end up popping his?
I'm not feeling the shoes.
Nah.
No.
All right. Respect.
Yeah.
True.
All right, thank you. Let's head on back. Okay, we've got 5 guys left. Go ahead and ask these remaining guys a question.
What make you different from the man standing next to you?
All right, name and age first.
EJ, 28. I don't know him, so I can't really say what makes me different. But I know what I bring to the table. Authenticity.
Okay.
I feel like someone that believes in God, that's like a deal breaker for me if they don't. Someone that knows what they want. You might not have to be there right now, but you have ambition to get there.
Okay.
So yeah, I would say. Just because I don't know him, I can't say what I bring different other than looks, right? For sure.
And over here, name and age.
I'm Terrence, I'm 28.
And Terrence, if you want to just answer a question.
So, like I said, I don't know him. I don't know anybody in this room. But all I can just say about myself is, like, I'm just an ambitious dude. I'm going to go out there, I'm going to go get it. I like to go out, I like to vibe, so I'm a viber. I don't know these dudes vibing. I'm real lax.
Okay.
You feel me? So, I really don't know. I don't know these dudes, you feel me? They good men from how I met them. But I'm him, so that's it. That's all I can tell you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, your name and age.
I'm DeMarcus and I'm 30.
Okay, Marcus. Should we ask him like what makes you different from other men then? Since
Yeah, from
they're
other
all gonna
men.
say the same
Yeah.
thing. Okay, so what makes you different from other men?
That's
you?
a good question. Now I gotta rethink.
Cause I was about to say,
Yeah, see?
Neither of these guys have balloons. That was all I could say. But different from other men, I don't know them either. So I couldn't even tell you, but like I
What
know.
make you stand out?
Just me. I can't give you too much because I don't know them, so I really can't compare myself like for real. And I'm not trying to toot my own horn.
Okay.
But
She wants you to toot your own horn. What makes you stand out?
I'm just me.
You me. Okay.
Ain't got nothing else to say on that. But
Okay.
like I'm me for sure. And if you ask another question, I can give you a better answer for sure.
Okay. All right.
Name and age.
My name is Pa. I'm 28. And I would say I move very intentionally, very hardworking. And I think actually the thing I'm most proud of is my emotional intelligence, which I've been working on a lot. And I also really love to cook, which is my new
Like
hobby.
to cook? Okay.
All right, thank you. And over here, name and age, and answer your question.
I'm Samson, 28. Say the best for last. Yeah, I'm him. So I just feel like I stand out because I'm that guy. I light up the room. All my friends, all my peoples could tell you that. Whenever Samson's in the room, it's a fun time. I feel like I'm on my stuff, grown on my stuff. Yeah, and I'm just chill. I'm that guy.
Can I see your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Exactly. No, I'm kidding. But yeah.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we did get a pop back here. Why'd you end up popping your balloon?
EJ 28. Physically, just not attracted. I love singing. That's why I kept it. I love karaoke. I sing karaoke night, but yeah, I'll say physically.
Okay.
And what was it? When she came out, you could have popped right then and there if that's what it really was.
Say it.
No, cause I'm with my boy. I'm trying to be more.
Who's your boy?
Oh, I just met him, but my boy.
Oh, okay. Your boy.
Right here, listen to the third. He said he's trying to do like more than physical. So I heard it out. I love the singing. I love things about you, but yeah, nothing else in that.
Okay, all right. Now, is he someone that's your type?
No, the cut. I don't really like guys with the cut.
I usually cut my own hair, but I went to
okay.
someone else today. Dang.
Let me see. Turn to the side. Yeah.
What's wrong with the cut? What part
I'm not
of the
really
cut?
like a mohawky girl.
It's
like,
a faux hawk.
oh, it's a faux hawk.
It's a faux hawk. Mohawk is different. It's more skinny. Don't do that. You don't know your hairstyle? Come on, girl.
Well, okay.
Look at it.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right, so we do have 4 guys left. Go ahead and ask them another question.
Do anybody live with their parents?
Ooh. Okay, let's go ask. Do you live with your parents?
Nah, I moved out like 18. Jumped off the court, yeah.
Okay, and that kind of adds another question. Where do you live? Where do you stay now?
I live in Tampa, Florida, but moving back to Orlando next month. So, right, yeah.
Okay.
Where she live at? I'm sorry.
Philly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all.
All right. Do you live with your parents?
Nah. I had to go at 17, man. I went to college and I ain't never came back.
What college did you go to?
Don't State. It's in Northwest Georgia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
For?
Huh?
What you go to?
Oh, yeah, I have my degree in marketing.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Are you still in Georgia?
Nah, I live in San Diego, California.
Okay.
Let's go over here. Do you live with your parents?
No. Love my parents, but no, I have my own place. I live in Brooklyn.
Brooklyn?
All right. And over here, do you live with your parents?
Unfortunately, no, I wish though. Yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with living
Yeah,
with
that's
your
what I'm
parents,
saying.
though.
I wish I had the privilege to. But yeah, I stay in Dallas now. So yeah, I stay
Okay.
by myself in Dallas, yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah.
So it is time to pop a balloon. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and pop one. All right. And so, Paul, why did you have your balloon unpopped?
Very beautiful. Wanted to hear her out. Loved your voice.
Thank you.
I don't sing, but I love to listen.
All right. And so, why'd you end up popping his?
You seem like a sweetheart, but you just don't seem like you would be for me.
Okay. What is it?
I don't know. Honestly, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I can't say.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, we've got 3 guys left. Go ahead and ask them another question.
Define communication in a relationship.
All right. Define communication in a relationship.
Say defining communication is like just being consistent. I would say having a better understanding of how she would like to communicate. Like, I mean, if we, I'm gonna say like let's say going to work or whatever, you going through it. Like I'm giving you a call, like, you know, checking in on you.
Yeah.
If you feeling down, like I'm just making sure I'm checking in on you, checking in with me. Just pretty much like having that consistency back and forth.
Okay.
And I think that's about it for me. Yeah.
Okay.
Over here.
Yeah, communication is a big thing in a relationship.
Is it what?
It's a big thing.
It is.
For me, it's just letting you know what I got going on. So, like, for myself, it'll be not days, but it'll be times during the day where I'm going to duck off because I have stuff I have to do that's going to be for the betterment of both of us if we're going to keep it a being. So I just need to let you know I might not talk to you for a few hours. But during those few hours, you know what I'm doing. I'm at the crib. I'm trading.
Okay.
I'm doing something. So it's like, just understand what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. And then, you know, when I leave, when I'm done.
Okay. And over here, let's hear from you.
Sir, say the best for last again. Yeah, communication. It's just two grown people talking back to each other. So I feel like, you know, let each other know what the deal is, what you got going on, this and that. I feel like there should be no misunderstanding and just two people, you know, just understanding each other. So that's about it.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I feel like I'm just looking at her. She seemed like a cool person. I just don't think like.
Yeah.
I just didn't get that initial appeal with her. Like, but other than that though, you seem like a person I can vibe with. Probably sing some Rod Wave songs, but I don't know if you vibe with Wave. But you know, I just feel like it's more like a friendly level though. I just ain't. I don't feel like I got that, you know, that from it.
Okay.
I agree.
Yeah.
So you agree? So
Yeah,
he's
I
not
agree.
someone that's your type?
No, you seem too like reserved for me.
I am reserved.
Yeah.
She know what she talking about now.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah.
All right. So we've got 2 guys left. Guys, any questions for her? Oh, hold on. Let's go on over here. All right. Go ahead with your question.
Yeah. What's your definition of communication?
I just feel like somebody who's not scared to like, you know, say anything to each other. Like, no matter how hard it could be, like as long as you communicate with that person and you just talk to them. That's how I feel.
Yeah. Can I ask more questions? When was your last relationship?
My last relationship was like a year and a half ago. It was a 7-year relationship. My first relationship.
Why did it end?
I feel like we was on different levels and then it just didn't work out.
Can I keep going? What type of level are you on right now, I guess?
What type of level I'm on right now?
Yeah.
I'm on a me level. Like I'm focusing on myself right now and trying to better myself. So yeah.
Okay.
What about you?
I guess me too, but I feel like I have room to bring someone along. So I feel like I'm getting older, so I want to, you know, bond with somebody, get that type of feel. So that's the type of journey vibe I'm on right now too. So yeah.
Okay.
Any kids? My fault.
No.
Any kids?
No kids.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good on my
That's
end.
it.
Now, is he someone that's your type?
Not really.
Okay. All right. And why not?
I feel like you kept saying save the best for last, and it wasn't really giving best for last.
For sure.
Thank you.
Nah, no worries. Appreciate you.
All right. Thank you. Let's head back because we did get another pop balloon over here. Why'd you end up popping your balloon?
Ken.
I misjudged what I thought I was viewing. I thought y'all vibed out, and with that, I didn't like that.
You get on my nerves.
It's not necessary. I ain't like it. Thought y'all was gonna be a real good match. Look at him. Yeah,
So you actually do like her.
yeah. She's exceptional. Yeah.
So do you want your balloon back or?
Nah, because what I witnessed still wasn't good vibes for
No,
me.
thank you.
Okay.
And she don't like me no way.
Anybody say you look like Ken? That be
that
with deer
is?
or whatever? Yeah, that's who you look like.
Who is this? Ken?
They were like you.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber.
I'm
a
cracking
travel
up.
YouTuber though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You seem like you play with a lot of people though. You seem like you play with a lot of females.
I ain't never did that. No,
Oh no. Okay.
That's all right.
that's a misconception.
Let's head on back. All right. Well, that is all the balloons popped, unfortunately. but
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. Let's give it up for her, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and bring. And how's he doing now that you guys are?
Oh, now he's full attention. Yes, yes. I think he was a little nervous at first. Yes.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta have a little nerves, no matter how I
Been
look.
chewing the gum for me. You know, you could have spit the gum out. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It's distracting.
Look at my eyes, not my mouth, baby.
I was looking at both, and that's why I was able to see the difference of you not looking eye to eye, and then you chewing. I was paying attention.
Okay. Pretty good. I respect that. No problem.
Yes. But you're very handsome. Don't get me wrong. You're very handsome.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
All right. And now is Lovely your type?
She look good. Don't know. I don't know now. She popped the balloon.